After weeks of bombardment, the walls of Constantinople were battered, but still standing. Mehmed II now prepared for what would be the decisive assault. The guns had battered the walls for weeks. Now Mehmed knew the moment had come. The Ottoman army was ordered to prepare for the final assault. Every day, the walls were shattered, and every night, the defenders rebuilt them. Mehmed's great cannons were powerful, but slow. He needed another way to break the city. Mehmed could not strike everywhere at once. He had to choose where the final blow would fall.
May God grant us victory.
Both sides knew where the decisive blow would come. The middle section of the walls had become the heart of the siege.